You think about your heart, your lungs, maybe even your skin. But there's one powerhouse organ that works tirelessly behind the scenes, performing over 500 vital functions: your liver. It's your body's primary filter and processing plant. But what if some of your daily habits were quietly working against it? Let's start with habit number 1, overloading on sugar. It's not just about weight gain. When you consume too much fructose, especially from sugary drinks and processed foods, your liver is forced to convert it into fat. Over time, this can lead to a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, which is becoming increasingly common. Habit number 2 might be obvious, but its stealthy nature isn't: excessive alcohol consumption. It's not just about binge drinking. Consistent, heavy drinking, even just a few drinks every night, forces your liver to constantly process toxins. This creates inflammation in scar tissue, a condition called cirrhosis, which can permanently damage this vital organ. Habit number 3 is about misusing medications, specifically over-the-counter pain relievers. While safe at recommended doses, taking too much acetaminophen or combining it with alcohol is a leading cause of acute liver failure. Your liver sees it as a toxin, and in high amounts, it simply can't keep up. Always follow the dosage instructions. Habit number 4 is ignoring environmental toxins. Your liver has to process chemicals you breathe in or absorb. This includes aerosol sprays, pesticides, and fumes from harsh cleaning products. Even some chemicals from old, scratched non-stick pans can end up in your system. Good ventilation and protective gear matter more than you think. And finally, habit number 5, a sedentary lifestyle. When you're inactive, you're more likely to gain weight, particularly visceral fat around your organs. This is a direct driver of fatty liver disease. A lack of movement also contributes to insulin resistance, putting even more strain on your liver's metabolic functions. The good news is, your liver is incredibly resilient and can often repair itself if given the chance. By being mindful of these 5 habits, managing your sugar intake, drinking responsibly, using medications wisely, limiting toxin exposure, and staying active, you can take the silent pressure off your body's unsung hero. Your liver works hard for you. It's time to return the favor. Before you go, like and subscribe for more health tips. Comment liver for a quick checklist and share this with a friend.